Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to keep the background fixed and the text around it will change. So the background image would not move around and the text will remain same. So how to do that? So let's get started. First of all, I have kept the emulator ready and let's start programming. First, it's HTML head style body background image URL. Let me just copy and paste the URL here. Then background repeat is no repeat. Then background position is right top. Then margin right 200 pixel. Then background attachment is fixed. And then style head body. And then I would just write a paragraph and then just copy and paste it several times just to so that it just slides out of the scroll bar and then we can scroll it several times. So let's just copy it and paste it multiple times. So that what happens is we can show the scroll property. Maybe I should paste it more. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now the next one what we do is end the body and HTML. If required, we'll copy paste more. Now let's copy it, take it to your emulator, click on run. So you can see that let me just try to make it more visible. Yeah, so you can see that this black area is the background that I have picked up and this is our paragraph. So if I if I scroll it, let me just yeah, so you can see that I'm using the slider here and to change it, and you can see that this paragraph is changing a bit. Let me zoom it higher. Yeah, now you can see that this paragraph is thing is moving but the background sticks to where it is. So even if I use the slider and go up and down, you can see that this paragraph thing is moving, and yeah, it goes up and down but the background stays where it is. So that's how you do it, and that's how you keep the background fixed, and then you keep changing even if the page is very big. So that's it for this program.